going on, guys? Let's integrate this function right here. So we have a integral of tan power 5x dx. So let's see how we can integrate. So first of all, when we have odd power, we try to change into even power. So we can do this one by separating tan power 4x and tan x dx. And what we try to do in this kind of situation, we try to replace this one by trig identities. So in this case we have tan. So the trig identity related with tan is tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. So let's see how we can replace this tan by this. So to do this I had to make this one square. So let's try to make this one as square. So I can do that by taking tan square x square tan x dx, right? And if I do that I will get, and now I can replace this one, right? So let's replace. So this is going to be sec square x minus 1 whole square tan x dx. Now let's expand this bracket. So if I expand this one, this is going to be sec power 4 x minus 2 sec square x plus 1. So I have expanded this bracket times tan x dx, and let's multiply everything by this tan x. So that's gonna give us sec power 4x tan x minus 2 sec square x tan x plus tan x, and all times dx, right? So now what I can do is I can separate all these as individual integrals. So if I do that, this is gonna be integral of sec power 4x tan x minus, I can keep the 2 in front because it's a constant, so I can keep it in front. So this is gonna be 2 integral of sec square x tan x, and the other one is going to be plus integral of tan x, and also I have to put dx in front of everything, dx, right? So I have separated all the integrals, and now let's see what we can do. So in this case I can do the u substitution, but we know the derivative of sec is sec x tan x, so let's try to bring this one outside. So if I do this, sec cube x sec x tan x dx, right, minus 2 for this one I can do the u substitution by rearrange this one. Like if I take the derivative of tan x, that's going to be sec square x. So I can keep this one as this way, but let's rearrange this one first. Tan x sec square x dx, and the tan x is going to be, we can integrate directly, so let's keep it that way. So integral tan x dx, and now let's do the integration. So first of all, to this one we know that derivative of sec is sec x tan x, so we can take the u as sec x. So if I take the u sec x, we have taken care of all these things. No, only this thing. For this one, what we can do, derivative of this one, if I take du, this is going to be sec x tan x. So I can replace this part by du. So we have taken, so this also dx comes here, and we have taken care of all these things. Now let's do this part right here. So if we take Let's say we have used u right here. Let's use a different thing, v. Let's say v. So if I take v for tan x, derivative of v is going to be, derivative of tan is sec square x dx. So we have taken care of all these things, and other one is direct integral. So let's continue this one right here. So let's replace this everything by u. So we have u is equal to sec x, so this is going to be u cube, and instead of sec x tan x, I replace this one by sec x tan x dx. I replace that one by du, so this is going to be u cube du minus 2 times v is going to be tan x, and dv is going to be sec square x dx. So this is going to be 2 integral of v dv, and the other one is direct integral. This is going to be, you can write ln cos x plus minus ln cos x, or plus ln sec x, both are same thing. And if I find the antiderivative of this one, this is going to be u power 4 over 4, and this is going to be minus 2 v square over 2, and this is minus ln cos x. Some people prefer to do in sec x, so you can also write this one as plus ln sec x, both are same thing. And all you have to do is simply replace this one by u and v values. So we know that u is equal to sec x, we know that v is equal to tan x, so let's do the substitution. So this is going to be sec power 4x divided by 4 minus 2 tan square x divided by 2 plus ln sec x plus constant, and that is the final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time. Also, we can cancel this too. So this one comes out to be sec power 4x over 4 minus tan square x plus ln sec x plus constant, and that is it. See you guys.